How to contact Bank of America customer support quickly. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to contact Bank of America customer support quickly. So first and final most thing is you can basically call this displayed or highlighted contact number, which is the most reliable way to contact Bank of customer service for nearly any banking need. Or you can also go over to your Bank of America contact us website, and from over here for the best ways to contact them about the specific issues, you can just, or you're gonna have to provide or select a topic regarding which you want to help or contact them for. So let me just quickly select any one of these options over here, and so you can actually call them for reporting a lost or stolen ATM or debit card. So you can also choose any other options such as report a lost or stolen credit card or stolen checkbook, or if you have found any fraudulent or suspicious activity, you can just provide them as well. And you can just log into your online banking and follow the on-screen instructions. Or you can also alternatively, if you are nearest to the bank branches itself, you can visit the customer support by simply heading over to the Bank of America itself as well. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.